Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bashar Saleh, and I am an immigration attorney here at Campos Law Firm, and I currently work out of our South Bend, Indiana office. Now, I do also travel to different states and different courts. One thing about Campos is that we are with you wherever you need us. So if you were to hire us in a different state, I can hop on a plane and I am able to go to any state where you are located and represent you in court. We're very flexible. We can speak to you over the phone. We can speak to you over video. We utilize WhatsApp. We utilize different methods to make sure that we are representing you the best that we can and giving you the best legal information possible. Now, one thing that people ask me is, in case ICE were to detain me, or in case, God forbid, I was caught, what is it that I should do or have prepared ahead of time? And I tell people there's a few things that you should do. Number one, have a plan. When the worst happens, that's when everybody's left scrambling, especially if you have children, especially if you have things at the house that you need taken care of, like pets. Make sure that you put a plan in place and you talk to your family members who will take care of the kids, who will take the kids to school, who's going to take care of the animals. Just having that plan can help alleviate a lot of unneeded stress and worrying. In addition, a lot of people qualify for different applications for relief, right? Uh, there are ways for them to stay in this country, but the thing is, a lot of people are not proactive enough and don't take those steps to become necessarily legal here in America. And so what happens is they go to court and now they're left scrambling trying to come up with a way to stay inside the United States when in the majority of cases I've personally seen judges tell different clients like you should have filed this years ago, you should have filed this 5 years ago, whatever the case may be, uh, because things take time to process. A judge unfortunately is not going to give you the time that you need to have your application for relief processed now. If, for example, let's say that you are married to a United States citizen, and let's say that you never took the steps to become legal in this country through your spouse. The issue then becomes you are now placed into immigration court, and the judge is asking, how are you going to stay in this country? And the thing is, a lot of people don't realize that the court is different from USCIS. They're both different entities. And so you're going to be telling the court, like, hey, I'm filing, a marriage petition. But the issue is, since that marriage petition takes a few years sometimes to process, and in addition, it takes time for those things to progress. The judge is going to say, I'm sorry, I can't give you that time. We can't have this case open for years. And so oftentimes people are left trying to file asylum claims or left trying to file some sort of relief that uh, will not really maybe even have a possibility of winning at the end of the day. It's just a way to prolong their case and keep the case open while they may be trying to seek other forms of relief, such as through marriage. And so the moral of that point is if you have a way to stay in the United States, if you are married, if you have marriage to a United States citizen, if, for example, you're undocumented and you're a teenager living in America, there are ways to become legal and there are things to file now. So that way, God forbid, you're put into removal proceedings, you have something on record, something to show the judge to allow you to stay here legally versus having to go home to your country prematurely or just not being able to win on any other form of relief that you file. And so, with that being said, again, just making sure that you have a plan in place is great. So that way you're not left scrambling if the worst happens. Making sure that you, again, file things now versus waiting later. Um, and also, just check in, even if you don't have anything to file, if you're detained, there are certain things that you can file to try to give you a chance of staying in America. The issue becomes most of these things, most of these applications require evidence, they require proof, they require you to put in front of the judge and in front of the government certain documents for them to see so they can adjudicate your case. And the issue is if you're detained and your family doesn't know where to get these documents or how to access these documents, it's really a bad situation because what else are you supposed to do? And so what I say is come to us, come to Campos Law Firm, schedule a free consultation. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. And we will help assess what solutions may be available to you. So that way, if God forbid you are detained, you're not left scrambling. You know exactly what you're going to file. You know what items you need to file that form of relief. You can even get us those documents in advance. So just in case the worst happens, we have all your documents and we are ready to go. So again, the summary of today's Facebook Live from me, and again, my name is Bashar. I'm an immigration attorney here at Campos Law Firm. Is just to be prepared for what may come. Again, make sure you have a plan in place. Make sure you're filing your form of relief beforehand if it's available to you. Please don't procrastinate and put that into action now, or just learn your options. Again, just knowing what you're going to file and what you should file and what things are needed to file are going to be very important and key in defending you in immigration court. Lastly, I'll say this. If you have any sort of criminal issue, if you have any sort of issues that you feel are hindering your case and may not be allowing your case to progress smoothly or naturally, things happen. You're not the only one. I sit here every day and I have consultations with people who have specific situations that they're trying to get legalized. They're trying to get past certain things that are serving as roadblocks in their case, and they just feel like they're out of luck. They feel like there's nothing to do, and there is always something that we can do. There's forms to file, there's emails to send, there's people to talk to. But again, you need to be proactive. Come see us. Let's talk. Let's figure out a plan and get you on your way. Again, for those who don't know me, I just want to again introduce myself one more time, and hopefully I can be here every week and speak to you all on different topics. My name is Bashar Saleh. I am an immigration attorney here at Campos Law Firm. I work out of our South Bend, Indiana location. We offer free consultations. We do immigration law. We do personal injury. We do criminal defense. We're taking on wills and estates cases. We're getting into family law. So again, there's things that are available to you through us for free, free guidance, free consultations. Just take the time to come see us. We're located at 316 South Eddy Street in South Bend, Indiana, 46617. And our phone number is 574-406-8352. I look forward to meeting you all. I look forward to speaking with you all. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Campos Law Firm. We are always by your side.